hot end installed onto the Seahorse printer for the first time, and I have done some testing a little bit, make sure I'm getting 12 volts to the cooling fan off of the power supply, and I'm fixing to hit the power switch, and we have a little running fan. Cooling fan is working. Got a temporary rat's nest of wiring, but it's just for testing. Anyway, I put the cooling fan on those two terminals there on the power supply. I want to eventually bring a block off and put a way where lighting can come off of that, or any other thing that you want in the 12 volt range. So, the thermistor is reading 29C on the hot end, and I'm going to attempt to do my first temperature test. Let's see. So we go down to prepare. Let's do preheat PLA and end. Alright, our goal is 180C, and as you can see, our temperature is up to 40, 43, 45, moving on up. Goodness, it's going fast to me. I've never seen it go up before. This is my first experience of heating a hot end, so I think I can kind of sort of smell a little bit for the first time. There's 127, 130. He's not wasting any time getting up there. Woo! 60, 170, and I can hear it tuning down, slowing down a little bit, overshooting, but it did stop and starts to come in, back in. 179, drop down and relight the heater. So it is resting in at 180. Looks like it would take a little while before the real temperature on the hot end would actually be there, but I'm gonna feel of the wires. They're totally cool. But I am not touching the block. I am trusting that it is what it says it is. Alright. I've got a little temperature tester to check this, so I'll be back with you. Okay, we're in a cool down mode right now, as the set temperature is now at 0, and it's made it all the way down to 48 degrees. I'm doing a test with a very, very primitive Grill Meat tester. It's showing 41 right there, and the Thermistor is showing 47. That is not very far off. I would think that that's not that bad as far as probe temperature compared to thermistor temperature. And I'm trying to hold the probe right on the heat cartridge just for grins, and trying to get a reading. I've held it there maybe for about 20 seconds or so, trying to get up the temperature to equalize. Now we're 38 compared to 44. That's not that far off either. settling in on the temperature tests of the thermistor and heater cartridge for the hot end of my printer for my first couple of warm-ups. It is always important to don't just turn the machine off if you're going to cool down, but to actually go to